Hello, I am Brett from Bearded Man Studios, and today I'll be talking over the InvokeRPC. The InvokeRPC is a way for us to internally check that an RPC has called successfully on the other side. And this RPC is a list of our function calls that we have gathered from the object using reflect. And let's say that RPC name doesn't exist, it's going to bounce back and just say, hey, I can't call this, and just do nothing. So as an example, I'm just going to say private void test, and if I do invoke RPC, as you can see, it just takes in a networking stream, and that stream of information is already done by the consume, and it would go in. So it's essentially the same as doing RPC test 1. Now if I did test 1, as you can see, I don't really have a function named test1, so it's going to bounce back and do nothing. But if I did do test, then it's going to go through and call the invoke RPC on the other end of the client, on the server, or wherever this RPC is being sent to, and make sure that it is successfully called on both ends. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. This is not something you're going to call for your app or game. You're just going to simply do an RPC, but the invoke RPC is what's happening behind the scenes for the client, for what they receive, and making sure that the RPC is part of the list of RPCs that they contain within that class. And it is just a way of double checking the data is correct on both ends, and just our own internal security measure for making sure that nothing's getting manipulated as it goes across the network. So that is what the invoke RPC does, but the RPC is what you will be using as you network your game. And I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, or email us, or contact us on Epic Join. Thanks for watching.